What's up, guys? Today we're going to make a two-way portal system in Godot 4 so your character can teleport to different parts of your level. Okay, so first things first, we need to set up our portal. So we'll click up here and create a new scene. We'll make this an area 2D and we will call it portal. Next thing we need to do is add an animated sprite 2D. We will come over here to our inspector. Under animation, create new sprite frames, open that up, and we'll keep the default. Click this little icon here to select our sprite. Here I've got this set to 3 horizontal and 2 vertical because that's what my sprite has, and we'll click off the frames in order that we would like them to appear. Add 6 frames. This is a little small, so we'll transform, go ahead and scale it up 6 times. And we can click this auto icon, that will make it run by default. We'll test our animation. Looking good. All right, we'll go ahead and save this scene as portal. Now we need to add a collision shape 2D. Here we'll select our rectangle shape 2D as the shape of it. You can drag it right around our portal here. You can make it go around the whole portal if you want. I like to do it like a little bit halfway so the character runs into the portal a little bit before they get teleported. And the last thing we want to add is a marker 2D. This will be our destination point. So we'll go ahead and rename it destination point. And let's just drag it out a little bit so it's easy to grab later. We can save that. Now we will pop over to our scene and we can pull our portal in. Looking good. Let's go ahead and put another one up here. So you'll notice that you can't just grab elements from the scene as soon as you drag them in. So what we need to do is we need to go up here and go to editable children. We can click destination point now and you can see it's highlighted, so we can drag it up here. That's where we want them to teleport to. And we'll do the same thing for portal 2, editable children, click our destination point, and we can just drag him right back to the beginning where he started. We'll go ahead and save our scene. That's all the setup we need to do there. Pop back over to our portal and we will add a script. So just click this icon right here, add a script. Make sure we put this in our scripts folder. Call it portal and create. Now we don't need any of this, so we'll just delete it. And we want to make sure we have our area 2D selected over here, portal, and then go to the node tab. You may have to click off and back on if it doesn't show up exactly right how you want to at first. Then click signals, make sure we're in this tab, and we're looking for body entered. Double click this, make sure we're connecting to our portal, click connect, and that's going to give us this nice function here. And this is basically saying if a rigid body enters the collision shape 2D inside this area, then run this function. So we don't need this, but we do need our player to be in a group. So make sure on your player scene, under groups, that you have a global group for player. So if you don't have this, go ahead and hit the plus sign. You can type player here, click off global, and then OK. And that will put your player into this player group. We're going to reference that in our scene here by saying if body is in group player, then we want to set the position of the player. So body.setPosition, and that's a function. We will set this to the position of our destination point. But if we just did destination point.position, that's going to give us the position relative to the portal, and we want the position in world space. So we type global position instead. And that should work. So let's go ahead and run our game and give it a try. So we're coming up on our portal, and it zaps us up to the top and brings us back to the bottom. So that's it, guys. This is how you create a two-way portal system in Godot. Hope you found this helpful, and thanks for watching.